Watch this video for September 2nd. Let me get my days right. That's going to be Friday. All right. SPY still just chopping around in a range. A little bit of extra volume today. Now, if you're wondering, normally I post a couple highlights on the results page every night. I haven't done it, I don't think, yet this week. There's been some decent trades in the chat room, but I've been in and out of chat because I'm going through a lot of things. One, I have a family living here who's buying a house, and in between until they get the new house ready to go. So we've got a family, including a Rottweiler, staying here, and we've got I've been going through a website redesign, and so I've been focused on that and working with the designers, and I think they've done a great job. Super happy with it, but it has garnered most of my attention. So I'm hoping to actually be able to trade tomorrow and focus. We'll see. Anyway, here's the watch list I've come up with for tomorrow. KOOL. This is kind of a sleeper pick, but nice support, right? It had a couple huge pops here, and then a kind of a lower high here, and really nice kind of a building a foundation here. And a little bit of extra volume yesterday, and then kind of just nothing today. So I like it over today's high, 425. Might just get it through 435, which is yesterday's high. And if it does that, I could see this thing moving to 5. It's a low floater that really moves at times. So it's interesting, but it's kind of a sleeper, right? Putting the numbers down in my notes there. All right, so then NYMX. It's found nice support right in this area for the last 3 or 4 days, and a nice green candle today. Volumes really died down, but if you look at it on 15s, you've got great support below. This one might just take off again. It's had some really nice moves, so want to keep our eyes on that one. RIGL ended up closing near its highs today. Remember, I had this on bounce watch for today, and nice little bottoming tail here. So that one might just continue bouncing tomorrow. Going to keep that one on watch. TCPI had a nice move today from 125 to 184 before settling in at 147. Maybe a red to green or something like that tomorrow. We want to keep our eyes on that one. HPJ had a really big pop today and held a lot of its gains. I mean, definitely gave some back, but also possible red to green on that one tomorrow. MPET, kind of the same thing. Coming out of a nice foundation, nice base here after a huge move. And it did close probably below in the lower half of that pop. But again, maybe a red to green. That one can really move when it moves. SPU, I think, needs to come in for a couple more days, but I'm going to start watching it for a bounce tomorrow. ATMR, another sleeper, just almost no volume. But had this, anytime a stock moves from 820 to 1020 and then comes down a couple days on lower volume, I'm going to keep it on watch. DO, I like to have at least one beaten up bounce play on watch for a possible bounce the next day. I have two. I have DO and I have YRD. These are, remember, I'm a day trader, so I'm just looking for a bounce tomorrow. I'm in cash every night. YRD is down probably almost $10 in 3 sessions, so I want to watch that one. Hopefully we'll find some nice gappers in the morning as well. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm pooped, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.